Hey everybody, and welcome back to How to Draw with Mr. Gray. Today we're going to draw a horsefly. He's a half horse, half fly, and to do this you want to make sure your paper is horizontal on this one. Get out your marker and let's begin. So to start our horsefly, we're going to start with his eyes on the left side of the paper. So we're going to have his head here and his body here. So we're going to start with one circle right about here. That'll be his first eye. And then we can go ahead and add our second eye. And whenever I do flies, I like to do these little hash marks right there. It just gives it that little bit of an eye or a fly feel. So now we can go right off the left eye, and I'm going to turn my paper to make it a little easier. And you can start to build in his little horsey mouth. And I'm going to go ahead and add his little nostrils, one hiding back here. And then you can go ahead and color the inside. And now he needs his bottom lip, so right here, I'm going to go ahead and add his little bottom lip. And then we can go back to the left eye and put in just a little little thingy above his eye. And then before we actually do his hair, I like to put in his ears first. So you're going to do one ear like that. And then we can actually give him a cool little hairdo like that. Then from the ear you can put in the back of his head. And then he does need his other ear, that way he can listen to music. Now that we got in our basic shape for the face, we can go ahead and do the body. So the body is somewhat of a bean shape. So if you want to watch me first, what we're going to do is we're going to come off the back of the head. We're going to go down, but we're going to stop right about there. And I'll show you why, because we are going to add his little horsey feet. And you can add just a simple shape for his little hooves, his little hoof. Now it's going to be a bean shape, so we're going to do the same thing, but I'm going to stop halfway. That way I can put in his upper arm. So when you do the feet, they're all going to be the same basic shape. So now we can take this line. There's our first part of our bean, and then we're going to bring the second part down like that. And then you're just going to repeat these steps 2 more times. So one back here. And then one more in the front. And now we're missing 2 main things. We're missing his wings and his tail. So let's do his little horsey tail. And they're just little half circles, little cloud shapes, sort of, little rounded lines. Now I'm going to turn my paper just to make this a little bit easier on myself. And you're going to do one swooping line. And that'll be his first wing. And then you can hide the next wing right like that. And you can even add some of these hash marks right about there. And then, to give it a little extra texture, you can hold your pen vertically and go around and add little texture dots. You can even add little pieces of hair. And then lastly, let's go ahead and just add some motion lines. And that is how you draw a silly horsefly.
Hey guys, Mr. Gray here, your animal mashup safari expert. I hope you had a blast drawing today, but now take it to the next level with my new coloring book, Mr. Gray's Animal Mashup Coloring Book, Volume 1, available right now on Amazon.com. It's full of fake facts, funny creatures, there's a treasure hunt, and the best part of all, you can create your very own animal mashups right inside the book. Just follow the link in the video description below and get your copy today.